Ladies and gentlemen, the American Jury and Bulldog Nation, the other side on cases always attacks me and us on how we filed these lawsuits, why we filed the lawsuit, what's in the lawsuit. And by the way, any of you lawyers out there would like a copy of this list to use, I will send it to you free of charge. But I took some time and effort to put this together, and I'm proud of it. Listen to this. Why are lawsuits drafted and filed? And those of you that contact me about whether a case needs to be filed, this is the process that's gone through to organize thoughts for negotiation purposes, to anticipate legal arguments and counter-arguments in litigation, to negotiate for peaceful resolution of grievances, to send messages useful in public posturing or private strategy because negotiation was unsuccessful, to get the right form under the first filed doctrine, to force a non-responsive party to the bargaining table, to defend a position, to take a public position, to shine light on conduct otherwise hidden from scrutiny, to seek justice in form of monetary damages, to force a government official to do his duty, hold wrongdoers accountable, obtain court orders including injunctions, prevent future harm, to change existing law, to make new law, the only way to conduct discovery. What are the thought processes in preparing a lawsuit? Standing to sue, can these individual companies sue? When? Statute of limitations, other timing issues. How? What will be placed in the lawsuit? Where? Jurisdiction and venue. Where can I file it? Against whom? Do I have a proper defendant? Do I have all the defendants? Do I have a valid cognizable claim? Do I have evidence? How strong is it? Do I have proof for my damages? Cost of lawsuit considerations, time and emotional toll consideration, potential for counterclaims, potential impact on reputation relationships. Are there alternatives to suit, mediation, arbitration? Is it a best immediate course of action? To what end? Will it aid a settlement, and if so, how? Why file the lawsuit? Who will be the attorneys for the parties? Is there insurance? Who is the insurance company? Who is the judge? Can damages be collected? Is there other relief such as declaratory judgment, writ, or injunction? How long will the process take? Jury trial or bench trial? Will a party appeal? How long will an appeal take? It's the only way to conduct discovery. And this is what the defendants, this is what the defendants do. Defend, delay, procedural delay, deny liability, challenge evidence, minimize damages, obstruct suit progress, counterclaim, seek attorney fees and costs. They assert defense is often not relevant. They deny truths. They could bring in others in the lawsuit. They abuse discovery by requesting every possible document and asking irrelevant questions. They overbill and aggressively bill their clients, including assigning multiple billers to the case. They attempt to move locations or disqualify judges. They attempt to end the case through repeated motions. They attempt to keep evidence from juries through motions in limine and pretrial maneuverings. They use their calendar for scheduling delays. They falsely portray the plaintiff. They investigate every aspect of the plaintiff. They issue subpoenas. They obstruct discovery. Once a lawsuit is filed, do you want to continue the battle? Do you change your mind? Do facts change? Do you dismiss it? Will you refile it? Have you learned something new? Settle, trial, mediation, case and appeal. Do costs become too much? Despite best efforts, did the plan not unfold? Does the law change? Do unforeseen circumstances arise? Does a party die? Does money run out? Do circumstances change with attorneys and experts? What discovery yields? Anecdote. Once accused of filing a lawsuit, which I should have not they claim I should not have filed, I stood before the Kentucky Board of Governors during a discipline proceeding, and after defending the basis for the lawsuit, pointed out to the board that every day I witnessed defense lawyers file answers with baseless defenses, and they never face recrimination. A half dozen board members laughed and nearly in unison stated, and we will keep doing so too. That, ladies and gentlemen, is all that goes in on filing and pursuing a lawsuit and fighting a lawsuit. It's a lot.